Okay, hello everyone. Yap here. And in previous lesson, we already done on the uh, EC2 launch template. We obviously we have start the migration. Okay, over here using the agent, and then you go through the MGN, go to the EC2 launch template, and then we are still waiting for the EC2 launch template to be fully ready to test, right? In the previous step, the replication is done 100% and it's creating the snapshot lah, right? So now if we go back to the lab, we can see after some time, I think around 30 minutes, right? Let me refresh. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so as you can see, the replication time is around 31 minutes, and then initial replication has finished. Okay, next we're going to do is just throw back. Okay, this is MGN. Next, we're going to now this is the EC2 launch template, right? So now we're going to launch this one as a test instance lah, right? So let's go back here. Okay, go to here. Oh, over here, test and cutover. We launch the test instance. Okay, so this will launch according to the launch instance. Okay, so let's just check back. Launch. Okay, correct, T3 micro. All right. Okay, let us launch the test instance. Okay, it will take some time to launch the test instance, so let us wait and I'll get back, right? You can maybe later on we'll cut this video lah, right? So it will take some time, and let's go and see the migration dashboard. Okay, so as you can see now the test is in progress, and then we can click on this job ID. Okay, so you can see it start taking snapshot, everything. Okay, okay, let's go back here. I also want to check on the launch setting again, just to be sure. Not sure whether I can check during launching the test instance. Wait, let us run together lah. Launch setting. Okay. Launch template. On this is launch template. I modify it, and then you need to go to EC2. EC2 to find the launch template. Launch template. Oh, I just go to EC. Okay, sorry, we go back, MGN. Okay. Why is it like this? I go to migration. Okay, test in progress. So long. At least it's doing something lah. Okay, start taking snapshot. 51, starting to launch the test instance. Okay, maybe just show you lah. I cannot see this. We go just to show you the source server. Not source server, EC2. Okay, so we have this IP 54.210.227 51 210 227. What else? 164. Ui, allow me. On this one. Okay, so you can see this one, if we launch it from the on-prem server, so you can see this buy me a unicorn thing, right? So later on, after we cut over, let us see whether it's still the same as the on-prem server or not, right? We just leave it here. This one is the instance. Just keep it here lah. Where's this also? Okay, so many things. I just close one. Okay, how about the test? Let us refresh and see. So long. I think later on maybe I will cut the video. Conversion starter, conversion enter. Korea 40 so much. Oops. Okay, so successfully launched the test. Okay, takes about some time here, I think around 10 minutes, right? So let's go back to the source server. Okay, so there's a few steps. Okay, so now the test has been completed and marked as ready to cut over, means everything is perfect and we are ready to cut over. Okay, you can see this, right? But it should be, hold on, I'm not sure it's what this is happening. Let's go back here and see. Okay, so as soon as you see the status is completed, you can ready to launch the cutover. Okay, so we go here and then we click test and cover, and then we mark as, oh, this one test in progress. We already done complete testing lah, so we can mark as ready to cut over lah. Okay, can terminate. Okay, let's view this. Okay, you clean up the test server lah. Remember to click ready to cut over. It means you clean up the launch instance and then ready to cut over. Right. So basically we have done this few things lah. Not already ready for testing, then ready to cut over. Okay, so after this we're going to launch the instance cut over lah. I think we need to wait for the clean up to complete first. Let me check. Okay, I think we need to wait first. Don't directly cut over because it needs times to clean up. Let me see where to check. This one. You also can revert for testing also lah, right? Terminate launch instance. Let's see the job ID. Okay, so now it's the cleanup has ended, right? So we're ready to cut over. Make sure you terminate the instance and then the cleanup successfully first, then only you cut over. Okay, then we launch cutover instance. Okay, launch. Okay, then you will begin the cutover job. Again, you can see the job here. Okay. Start taking snapshot. Okay, so it will take some time also. Then maybe I will cut the video or speed up the video when I'm hardworking enough lah to edit the video. Now I just let it go first lah. Okay, I think this one will take about 10 to 15 minutes or so, right? Maybe I go back to that again. This session is quite long because a lot of waiting time. Okay, so it's lesson 5. Now I'm at what lesson? Okay, so the flow will be first we will do the replication from source to EC2 launch template. Okay, the second one will be the second thing is we modify based on the lab lah, what we do lah, modify the EC2 launch template. Okay, so when you modify the EC2 launch template, which means that will be your instance, the end set of your instance when you cut over from your on-prem web server, right? So your final web server will be based on the EC2 launch template lah. Yeah, okay, so the launch template, if you want to see which version you are using, you need to go to the EC2 there and see, not from the NGN. Okay, and then this one, the main thing we modify will be the these few things lah, right? Okay, so the main thing I think we do is to change from C4 large to T3 micro lah. Okay, the third thing, the replication finish already, we do the test instance. Okay, after you test the instance healthy already, you mark as ready to cut over, and remember you need to wait for the clean up. Okay, okay, next next we will do what okay, after you mark as cover, we cover lor. Okay, after this we launch the cover instance. We check back. Okay, start taking, finish. Okay, started launching, so hopefully we'll launch hopefully you need to pray lah. Job ID, cut over in progress. Just as simple as that lah. But then when you really do for your customer, there will be a lot of blockage like firewall, all those things. Because this one, the test environment, the network also prepare ready for you. The web server also ready for you, right? The agent also prepare for you, easy lah. You just do like that. If let's say the real environment, the production environment, the client side, you need to open the firewall, everything. You need to check which firewall need to be open. You need to configure the network, and then they will ask you whether got impact on the apps or not, all those things. Okay, so buy me a unicorn, we see whether got impact or not during the cover. See, still can see or not? Still can see lah, so no issue lah. Maybe do a continuous ping, because this one is a Galaxy tab, I cannot do that. Okay, still okay ma, right? So now it's still in progress. I'm not sure can do bash or not, but this one I don't think it allowed us to replicate so many servers. Okay, so it's quite a long time already. So where it is? Here. Okay, start launching. From the tutorial it says about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, if you, let's say I talking too long-winded already, you can just skip lah. Or you just make the speed to ×2. Sorry, because a bit long-winded sometimes, right? And if you like my content, you can subscribe lah. I really do need your support lah, right? Even though it's like I do for my own reference to study and I'm not really pro on this, I will keep improving lah if I see there's more subscriber or more comments to motivate me, right? Okay, still like this. Aiyo, so long to test. Let's see whether the EC2 instance is there, Okay, Oregon, Come on. Oi, 5 instances. How come so many instances here? The web server is here. What is this? Oh, replication server, conversion server. Oh, I think it's when I do the it will launch like this one. Then this is another web server. Oh, so many. Maybe after this we need to clean out all this as well. These two I also not sure which web server is the test one, which one is the correct one. I think this one stopper one is this one terminator already. So if not wrong my estimation when you do the test it will launch an instance here. Okay, it's like a replica if you say, right? So you can you say test completed then you can ask user go in and check all these things right? And then you can mark it ready to cut over If let's say user say we cannot got issue then you need to maybe mark back as the testing wait I think got option over here one. Cut over in progress. So can mark ready for cover, ready for testing. You can revert Aiyo, so long one meh. Launch already I just open one here. I open another one. See this one still working or not? Still working. This one we select the EC2 so 7BF9 we record down this one 7BF9 let's just see this details. See that 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 no need lah, we don't need to jot down, we just copy this and then let's see can open or not. If you can see the unicorn, then good lah. Like not running. Oh, just open address here. Haven't complete the migration, is it? We need to finalize the cutover. Right. After done, you see the launch status. Okay. First put stop. Let's see the cutover status. Still in progress. I see it's completed already lah. Maybe we still need to give it some time. Running already mah. Check also pass already. Still in progress, man. First put stop. Why stop? Should be launched, man. Should be succeeded. Maybe you go in and see lah. I'm not the Linux person also. I'm more to the Windows. Need to learn more on that. And we just connect. Aiyo, cannot lah. Yeah, this one surely cannot on. SSM agent. Oh, need to install, only you can use the session manager. AWS, you need to keep refresh one. Why close that? I think I just finalize the cover and see what happens. See, it's already say launch. Right, first boot succeeded. What the? Oh, need to access the. !aiya! Need to do inbound rule first, is it? !aiyo! Patula cannot. I think. Just continue lah. Okay, so next we will be doing the configure the application. I think maybe for the next lesson lah, right? Okay, thanks for watching for today. Hope you like it. Can subscribe even though today is long. Maybe later on I will just modify the video. Right, thank you.